Traffic rules. It is very important to know the traffic rules to be safe on the road. Traffic rules are made for the safety of people. Traffic lights are installed to control the traffic. They are installed at the place where two roads interact. Follow the traffic signals. There are three colored lights in the traffic lights: red, yellow, and green lights. Always wear a seat belt while driving a car and don't use mobile phone while driving. Don't run on road while walking. Use zebra crossing to cross the road. Wear helmet before riding a bike. Always wear a seat belt while driving a car. Red light means stop, yellow light means be prepared, and you have to walk when there is a green light. Speed limit borders are also installed on the roads. We should drive the vehicles at that speed on the roads. Thank you.